So ako ang purpose ato first and foremost is number one, to fuck the matrix. Fuck the system. Fuck the news. Fuck the media. Fuck the hospitals. Fuck the pharmaceuticals. Fuck the government.
Why did you say about fact?
Because they hold so much control and fear. The matrix is made for those in the upper class only. Kami nga nasa lower and poor class, parte na mong luuya. We don't have a voice. And this is the first time nga ang someone from the poor class, someone from the streets, someone with zero connections, is speaking up finally, and a woman. It's time for all the women out there to start stepping into your power and stop being afraid and start showing up for your dreams.
Okay. Aside for that, ma'am,
Okay.
ano pa yung pakay na ba't mo ginawa kahapon?
Okay, for personal naman, for personal growth, okay, so number one is I want to face my fears. I want to test my limits. So, for every fear that you face, at the end of it is growth. So I feel like I have grown as a person again. I have unlocked something again. That really fear is just an illusion. I may be here in the cell, but I'm safe. I'm not dead. And I'm not done. I'm just taking the first step, and I'm not gonna stop.
Ma'am, it is true, ma'am, na may karelasyon po kayo na naghiwalay po kayo.
Yes, it's true that I just came out from a 14-year relationship.
Okay. Tapos, aside for that, may negosyo po kayo na anong totoo po? Na bankrupt? Totoo ba yung na-bankrupt?
Yes, I actually have businesses in Davao, in Ecoland and in Turil. I sell iPhones and vape. Unfortunately, due to my personal life problems and anxiety and depression, nabagsak talaga ako because na-burnt out ako, and then I didn't have any focus anymore to mind my business. It's the time na aking sarili naman yung isipin ko. It's time for me to heal.
Ma'am, okay lang ba mabalaan kung pila imong puhunan kung kapital nimo ato na?
Well, I started from the bottom, so nag-start lang jud kung isa lang ka cellphone.
Okay.
Cherry Mobile or my phone lang to, like worth 3,000, and then gina buy and sell na ko until it grew, until nakaput up na jud ko og physical store finally on my own,
Okay.
without any connections, without any support from anybody.
And then abrupt na ni kuan ni panto imong negosyo.
No, it wasn't abrupt because I started way back in college pa.
Okay.
So breadwinner ko, at the same time ako nagpaskwela sa akong sarili. So kanang it was a gruesome like experience, but it was worth it. It grew me as a person. So I've been selling or I've been in business for at least 10 years already. Since 18. I was 18.
Now, aware na ba imong ginikanan karon? Imong parents?
Yes, they are fully aware, and unfortunately they do not support me.
Okay. Unsay ikasulti nimo, ma'am, na island kag kaso? Daghang kag kaso ato bangon is first is counterflow, ni violate ka sa role sa rule closure during the Ironman 70.3, and aside for that naapod kay kaso sa katong wala ka nagsuotong helmet, wala kay driver license, wala kay gipresentar nga OR o CR sa imong motorsiklo nga gidrivean.
Okay. So
Daghang kaso.
okay. Fuck it. First and foremost, fuck it. If I have to do it again, I'm gonna do it again. Just to be heard. Just to become the voice of the voiceless. Just to become the voice of the poor. So I don't care. I'm gonna face it head on.
Pero dawaton na rin mo, ma'am, mapreso ka.
Yeah, nanagay ko diri sir. Nanagay ko diri Okay? So,
Wa ba ka nagbasol, nagmahay?
wala. I won't ever apologize. I am
Okay.
very unapologetic sa kuang cause diri, sa akong purpose diri. So I will never apologize for something that I believe in. Never. It's something that I have learned for the past 28 years of my life, to never be sorry for reaching your dreams.
Okay, ma'am. Lastly, mensahe natin, ma'am, sa mga kabatanunan, labi na sa imong kaedad po, basta napakaidugang mensahe o sa atong gobyerno.
Okay, first and foremost, for the youth, stop being scared. Stop being fearful. Reach for your dreams. Fear is just an illusion. Don't give a fuck about the system, the government, the news, the media. Reach for your dreams. Don't give a fuck about what other people say to you. Just do it. Just fucking do it. And to the government, this is just the first step. I'm not gonna stop. You can never stop me. I'm gonna fuck the system. I'm gonna fuck the matrix. I'm gonna awaken people of how much control and fear you hold to them. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey!